Hello guys, my name is Shanu SK, SAP FICO and S4HANA Finance Trainer. Today I would like to share you the basic information regarding SAP integration with all modules. So this is chapter 1 and I will upload chapter 2 and chapter 3 as well. So this session about integration. So how SAP is integrated with other modules. So I will explain some important modules with other integration with other modules. So if you are completely new to this channel or watching my videos first time, please subscribe if not, hit the bell icon. So before going to integration point, then let's understand what is ERP, then I will go to that point. See, ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. E stands for Enterprise, R stands for Resource, P for Planning. So E for Enterprise means organization. So you can take any business. So there are different kind of any organization, there are different kind of business will be there. So E stands for organization of the particular business. R stands for resource. Resource means time, money, machine, material. These are all resources. So planning means how efficiently we are using these resources, most efficient and effective manner, that is called as a planning. So SAP is a business suite. So SAP is a ERP software. Okay, so ERP means it is integrated with other applications. It is integrated with all modules. So it is integrated with functional modules. It is integrated with technical modules. So SAP is a ERP software. So it is integrated with different modules like human resource, sales and marketing, accounting, services, supply chain management, quality management, finance. So these are all things are covered in ERP software. This ERP software is integrated with all other applications, right? So now the question is, today's session is how the FICO is integrated with the other modules, and SAP SD is integrated with other modules, MM is integrated with other modules, and PP is integrated with other modules. In the today's session, I will give you how FICO is integrated with how many modules, and SD is integrated with the how many modules, PP is integrated with the how many modules, MM is integrated with the how many modules. That point I will cover today's session in the chapter 1, and the next session in chapter 2, how the integration will happen from FI to MM, from FI to SD, FI to PP, FI to PS. So these are all stuff I will cover in the HCM. So these are all stuff I will cover in the next sessions one by one. So with the overall basic view. So here SAP important functional modules, wise integration, SAP FICO integration with other modules, SAP integration with MM integration with other modules, SD integration with other modules, and PP integration with other modules. So these FICO is integrated with these modules like SAP FI module is tightly integrated with SAP PP, SAP Material Management, SAP SD, SAP CO, and SAP HR. So FI is integrated with this module. Why the integration is required? Because of complete reports we need to extract for year ending. So that is possible if one module is integrated with other module. So we can extract the reports, and that it is no time consuming activity. So MM module is integrated with the PP, production planning. So also MM module is integrated with the SD and warehouse management, FICO, quality management, and plant maintenance. So SAP MM module is integrated with all these other cross application modules. And SD module is integrated with the production planning, and also SD module is integrated with the warehouse management, and SAP SD module is integrated with the FICO, SAP SD module is integrated with the QM, quality management, and SAP SD module is integrated with the PM, and SAP SD module is integrated with the PS. So these are all integrations of SD module with other modules. And finally, here I am giving SAP PP production planning. So SAP PP module is integrated with the SD module, SAP PP module is integrated with the warehouse management, SAP PP module is integrated with the FICO, and SAP PP module is integrated with the quality management, SAP PP module is integrated with the plant maintenance and project system. So thank you very much guys for your support. This is Shani SK signing off.